In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests on Airbnb following the 2025 guide. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long-term stay, knowing how to adjust your guest count accurately is essential for a smooth booking experience. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Airbnb account. If you haven't already, simply go to the Airbnb website and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here, you have access to all your booking information. The next step is to choose the room you're interested in booking. You can do this easily by navigating through your options on the dashboard until you find the accommodation that suits your needs. Once you select a room, you'll notice a section right below the photos. This section is key because it gives you vital information regarding the check-in and check-out dates, as well as the guest information. In the guest section, you will discover how many guests are allowed by the host and the types of guests that are accepted. Airbnb categorizes guests in a few different ways: adults, children, infants, and pets. Adults are usually anyone aged 13 and over, children are considered those between the ages of 2 and 12, infants are those under 2, and pets, if allowed, are added separately. Now, how do you know which type of guests are permitted for a particular room? This is where the interface provides a helpful guide. If the plus sign, the little plus symbol, is clickable next to a specific guest type, that means that particular type of guest is allowed by the host. If the plus sign is not clickable, unfortunately, that guest type is not permitted at that accommodation. It's worth noting that some rooms might accept adults, children, and infants, but not pets, while others might have entirely different rules. These options are entirely up to the discretion of the host, so it's crucial to pay attention to ensure you're in line with what is acceptable during your stay. To add guests, you just need to click the plus sign next to the guest category you wish to add, whether it's an adult, child, infant, or even a pet, if the option is applicable. This straightforward process will help you adjust your booking to fit your specific needs quickly and effortlessly. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add guests on Airbnb with ease. Remember to review all details before finalizing your booking to avoid surprises later. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy booking.